What is up, tubers? Hopefully, you're having a great day. All right, today is August the 6th, 2024. On your screen right now, you see an article. Dolby Laboratories is suing Roku over technology and streaming software. Oh, it's about to go down in court. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Let's get to this article. And just in case, or before we get into it, if you don't know what Dolby is, they are basically a audio technology source. If you have home theater equipment, such as some audio video receivers, there's a good chance that you may have something like Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital, some form of that audio that is created by the team out of Dolby. If you got a subwoofer with some speakers, yeah, you probably have that technology as well. And right now, there's a dispute going on between Dolby versus Roku. And I find this very, very interesting if everything goes towards Dolby's way. All right, but let's get into the article. All right. August the 1st, Dolby Laboratories sues streaming video giant, not just a company, they are a giant, Roku, in California federal court on Thursday, accusing Roku of breaking a license and infringing its patents and copyrights by integrating Dolby's technology into its operating system, Roku OS. So basically, if you get a device, a streaming device, or television, or projector that carries Roku on there, all right? When you get a package and you open it up and you connect it to your television, to your internet, and all of that stuff, right? It has Roku operating system. Yes, it's a Linux based um, operating system, and they call it Roku OS. All right. San Francisco based Dolby said in a lawsuit that Roku secretly distributed millions of copies of Dolby audio and imaging software without complying with the terms of the company's agreement. So we know they had some type of agreement. Let's find out what it was. Dolby said Roku misused its technology to make its products more attractive to potential customers and increase its profit at Dolby's expense. The lawsuit said that Roku's streaming platform accounted for nearly 3 billion of its annual revenue in 2023. Spokesperson for Roku did not immediately respond to a request for comments on the complaint. An attorney for Dolby said the company had no comment. So basically, Dolby is accusing Roku, right? When we go up to this paragraph right here, they said they made it more attractive to potential customers and increases profits at Dolby's expense. I believe this is what I believe they are saying. You took the technology, you added it to the packaging, because you know it will attract people with home theaters, people that got sound bars with subwoofers and more projectors, all of that. It will attract certain people who use this technology at their home place of business, wherever. All right. And the thing that is saying you attracted more customers at Dolby's expense because you're putting that name Dolby on your packaging. That's what I believe that is saying. All right, let's continue to move on. Dolby said that the company signed a license agreement in 2015 solely for Roku to test Dolby's software interoperability with Roku's system. All right, so they basically saying, Dolby saying, listen, we signed an agreement for Roku to test it not use it on all of their devices, but to test. That's the key word right here, test. All right. The complaint said that the companies agreed in 2016 that Roku could distribute Dolby software under certain conditions. All right. So now we allowed you to test. Now you want to use the technology. All right. But now let's do this agreement. The agreement was under certain conditions, including after paying your royalties, all right, pay the royalties and complying with Dolby's quality testing and reporting requirements. What do you record? What do you want in your reports? We need to know what devices you're adding this to. We need to know how many you sell in a year or quarterly. We need this information. All right. We need this information. The lawsuit said that Roku secretly incorporated Dolby's intellectual property in its software at least between 2016 and 2020. Lied to Dolby about its use of the technology and refused to cooperate with an audit. So once basically they're saying Dolby found out. Hold up, do you y'all putting y'all putting our license, our patent technology on your devices, but you're not even following the requirements, the agreement. That's basically what's being said. And you're selling it, killing the market because y'all number one in the US and you're number one across the world when it comes to these streaming devices. And you've been doing it for 4 years. And you come on now. All right. Dolby asked the court for an unspecified amount in monetary damages, basically money, all right, because you use our stuff without our knowledge. You didn't follow the agreement. And an order blocking Roku's alleged misconduct. Now, I want you to pay attention to this last one. An order blocking Roku's alleged misconduct. Could they be saying, we need you to send an update to all of your non-agreeable devices, taking that Dolby technology off? What are they saying right there? Because I believe that's what they're saying. All right. I wish they would have just came out and said it, but that's what I believe they're saying. Potentially, you don't give us the money. We want the courts to sit back and make you send an update to all the devices that we did not agree to and remove that technology with an update. They can do it. Woo, this is going to be very, very interesting. Um, the case is Dolby's Laboratory Licensing Corp versus Roku, and is in the Northern District, California. Oh my goodness. Man, oh man, oh man. Dolby versus Roku. This is very, very huge. This is huge. And the reason I believe, because of what I said earlier, this can get to court. This probably can go 2 or 3 years. All right. With Roku being the number one streaming device in the world, they are bigger than Fire Sticks. They're bigger than Walmart on devices. As far as streaming devices, they're outselling Nvidia, in Google TV products, everything. They're just number one. But what if the courts find uh, Roku was at fault here and force them on those streaming devices or television, whatever it takes the update to remove that technology, that Dolby technology, whether it's Dolby Digital, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Atmos. Because they're saying from 2016 to 2020 that that's what they've been doing. They integrated Dolby into their software without letting Dolby know, not paying royalties and things like that. and they did it without Dolby's knowledge. And when Dolby said, "Well, can we get an audit?" Roku say, "Nah, nah." So since we can't get the audit, we about to go to court. All right. This is going to be very, very interesting. What do you think? I would love to hear what you think. Um, this could be in court for a couple of years. I can't wait to get the ruling of this. All right. I cannot wait to hear the rulings. This is going to be interesting. Roku versus Dolby. And man, oh man, this is going to be a great heavyweight fight. But tell me your thoughts. Do you have a Roku device? Do you know someone with a Roku device? I'm not asking you if you know, should you buy one, but who do you agree with? Do you think Dolby did the wrong thing? Do you think Roku did the wrong thing? All right, who do you agree with? It's obvious we got one company setting everything up and actually introduced it to the court, and now the court will have to listen. They have to go to court, hear both sides, and decide the fate. This could hurt Roku if this happens, and this could hurt the relationship between both companies. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Also, guys, you can share this, thumbs up the video, and last but not least, hit that bell notification if you're not subscribed. And when you hit that bell notification, select all. If I drop a picture, a poll, go live, or any videos, anything that's dealing with YouTube, you will get notified. Man, oh man, Roku versus Dolby or Dolby versus Roku. Who you with? I love to hear from you. Y'all be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video. This is Superdell, and I am out. Peace, guys.